What the fuck is this?
Me when I saw your video on GupTo.
I'm just gonna skip over the rest of this intro because, number one, I don't give a shit.
Real fucking funny.
And number two, I just want to get right to the video because the intro kind of takes up a little bit of time and that really kind of sucks, alright?
Then why drag on like a mouse?
Oh, I see! Those people think she's actually amusing! Well, you know what? They're demented!
Yeah, no comment there.
Then why even?
God, this guy is such a weeaboo. Now, I have nothing against weeaboos, not all of them are bad. But this guy, I don't feel comfortable with this guy at all. I mean, I feel something really pedophile-ish about this guy, and I can already tell that this guy is going to be a pedophile. I mean, my God.
Wait. Accusing of someone as a child molester is quite rude.
Anyway, that's all I have to say about this video, so, as a main Gadao fan, out.
Dominate!